The First Alert slim design battery-operated photoelectric smoke and fire alarm provides you with protection against fires while blending seamlessly with most home decor. Did you know that 3 out of every 5 home fire deaths resulted from fires in homes with no working smoke alarms? Or that a fire department responds to a fire every 24 seconds in the United States? Smoke alarms provide early warnings in the event of an emergency inside the home. Half as thick as a standard alarm, this alarm packs premium detection features into a sleek and compact unit. This photoelectric smoke detector responds exceptionally well to slow, smoldering fires, such as those caused by unextinguished cigarettes. This alarm comes equipped with Optipath 360 technology, which enhances the alarm's detection ability by providing the sensor with 360 degrees of access to the layer of air around the ceiling. This allows the sensor to detect smoke, combustion particles, volatile components, and other fire signatures in the surrounding air more easily. Did you know the #1 cause for disabling smoke alarms is due to nuisance alarms? The inclusion of intelligent sensing technology helps to minimize false alarms by distinguishing between real fires and nuisances, such as those caused by cooking smoke or steam. The alarm itself is powered by a 9-volt battery, meaning no wiring is required for installation. Simply mount with the included mounting bracket. The Perfect Mount mounting bracket keeps the alarm secure over a wide rotation range to allow for perfect alignment, and also includes tamper-resistant locking pins. On the front, you'll find the single-button silence and test button. This alarm comes with a 10-year limited warranty. So where should I be installing a smoke alarm? Smoke alarms should be installed on every level of your home, including the basement, and in every bedroom. It is recommended to place smoke alarms at least 20 feet from appliances such as furnaces and ovens, as these produce combustion particles. It is best to place the smoke alarm on the ceiling as close to the center of the room as possible, and minimally 4 inches away from any corners, as these are dead air spaces. If you're placing it on a sidewall, this is also acceptable. Keep the 4-inch minimum distance from the corner where the wall meets the ceiling, but also keep it within a 12-inch maximum from the ceiling. For more information, guides on installation, or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.